How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the MPOW SE Air. Well, you're probably thinking, what is this guy doing? My trusty knife here. That he's already unboxed this video. Yes, I have. I have unboxed these headphones on my channel before. But this is unboxing slash review slash 2 years of usage of these absolute incredible bad boys, which I think they're the best headphones around. Keep in note, I'm not a headphone user. The only headphones that I have used are in the past, which is the PlayStation Pulse headphones and just recently the P10s, the Astro P10s, which were hyped so much, right? I absolutely hated them. I don't understand why people are praising them. Seriously, completely honest review, right? My headphones were not faulty. They were 100% right, but I did not like them at all. The microphone quality that they got praised for was absolutely rubbish, dudes. Seriously. Here are the MPOWs once again. This time I got the black and blue color, and guys, the black and blue color looks absolutely incredible. Now, the problem about these headphones are, the only problem, I don't think they make them anymore. They don't make them anymore. That is the big problem. Because I don't know. I think the company had a bit of a problem with Amazon. That is the problem that happened. Company had a bit of a problem with Amazon, which resulted in the company's downfall. So these are on online stores like eBay and also these other little mini online web stores that sell these. They are really cheap, man. You can get, if you're lucky, you can get them for a tenner, and if you're unlucky, the maximum price that these go for is for 15 quid at this moment of time, as in 23rd of February 2023. That's the price they're going for. After this, I think these headphones are going to become rare because it's going to be hard to get a brand new set. Now, also make sure I'm talking about the MPOW SE gaming head. So anything other than that, I have no idea how they perform. There's also a wireless version of these. I don't know how they're going to perform. But these ones, guys, their microphone is crystal clear. Seriously, proof about that is going to be in the link in the description down below. If you're an old-time AMR subscriber, you'd know that because all of my videos were shot on this. Apart from my recent 5 videos, the Harry Potter game, the first Harry Potter video that I shot, basically that was made with these headphones. And then after that, I switched to the P10 Astros. And dude, there's a day and night difference between the audio quality. Seriously, the audio quality on the Astro P10s were meant to be amazing, but they weren't. They were absolutely disgusting. Right, enough talk. Let's dive right into these bad boys. You're probably going to thinking, what happened to your old MPOWs? Well, they were almost more than 2 years old, and because of that, the microphone lead was basically it started to crumbling, and that gave a problem. So here it is, the MPOW SE headphones in the flesh. Dude, check it out. There is the 2-year warranty that these bad boys come with, because this company knows, right? It knows that there is a bad ass. I don't even know if this. I'm gonna, to be honest with you, it says 2 years warranty. My last headphones did have 2 years warranty, and I actually through Amazon I got a refund. But then again, that wasn't them. So there we go. It comes with the warranty. I don't know, mate, if this 2-year warranty is gonna work, because like I said, at this moment of time, discontinued. So I don't know about that. Here it comes with the auxiliary this port here, which if you want to connect it to the PC. I don't understand the PC that it needs both of these to work, but yeah, that's for the PC. But and it's also got a pop filter. The pop filter is going on. That pop filter is a day one thing, man. Like, let me just quickly pop the pop filter on, because maybe that is the secret to the crystal clear mic. Pop filter is popping on. There we go. And there is the headphones themselves, dude. Look at them. Beautiful. MPOW at the top. Look at that blue stitching. It's got comfort all around. It is adjustable from here and here. You know, I'm a guy with a big head. So if they're comfortable with me, they're comfortable with everyone. Right? It's got adjustable mic. It's detachable. Right. One thing that my previous headphones with 2 years of usage with adjusting the continuous adjustment, it started shredding from here. It really did. and I had to give them away. The sound quality of these guys are crystal clear, amazing sound. They are really loud as well for those people that like loud sound. They got the bass, they got everything. It's all there. It's got a volume control right here, and it's got the mute button right here, and here it comes with the AUX, and here are the headphones itself. So let me just give you a nice close up, because why not? Let's make use of the 4K 60 FPS camera can do to your eyes. You know, these headphones are absolutely amazing. MPOW, right? MPOW. I'm gonna be honest with you. I really hope that these give me the same the same amount of performance that my old MPOW SE did. The only difference between this one and my old one is that the old ones were black and red, and this is black and blue. So I hope the color change does not affect the performance, because, like I said, these headphones are not well known. This company is not well known, and it's just discontinued out of nowhere. I don't understand why, because the quality is absolutely incredible. I don't, right, like I said, I purchased £100 PS Pulse headphones, and the quality of those, the sound quality was okay, but the mic quality was dead, dude. The flipping sound quality of the mic on these, I don't think it can get any better than this. Any better. It sounds like a studio quality headphone. So yeah, that's my review once again. Like, my final verdict: 10 out of 10 sound quality, 10 out of 10 mic quality, right? You can't get any better than this. And what, you get all this for what, 15 quid? And if you're lucky, you can get it for tenner. Seriously. Unfortunately, I cannot provide any links in the description below. You're just going to have to search for yourself. MPOW SE gaming headset. Right? Normally, I don't like gaming headset because the gaming headset's all bossy and stuff like that. But this, I don't even consider a gaming headset. I consider this a bloody studio grade headphones. Now, as soon as this video is going to get uploaded, I'm not going to basically put on the link to the microphone for this as soon as, because obviously I'm gonna live stream later in the evening today, so it is gonna be there in the comment section below. So don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the ding dong notification bell, because that you're gonna get like literally live review of this thing. So 10 out of 10 everything. These headphones, absolutely amazing, absolutely incredible. And I'll see you in the next live stream or video or whatever you guys watch on my channel. Peace out, man.